So today I wanted to give you something more fresh, more glowy, more ready for summer and easy to achieve. And I came out with this rose gold pinkish makeup and I do really like how this turned out. At first I wanted to try this fuchsia lipstick, but it was too much because I already have pink on my eyes, so it was too much. And I changed it for this pinkish, coral peachy lipstick, and I feel like this works a little bit better. And I wanted to try the pink shade from the Perception palette, and this is absolutely gorgeous. So this is what I have on my eyes, and a little bit of TF, and I'm bothered. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so today I want to keep it very simple with the eye makeup, and I really want to use this pink shade from the Perception palette, but I swatched this on my hand, this pink right here, but I swatched this on my hand and I feel like it has like a brownish undertone. I don't know, I feel like this will be a little bit too dark for what I want for this makeup look. I want like a bright pink, like my backdrop, but yeah, I still want to use this eyeshadow, so I think I'm going to use just a little bit. Also, I want to use this Revlon cream eyeshadow. This is in the shade 730 and is a beautiful rose gold cream eyeshadow. You can use this as a base for your eyeshadows, or you can use this alone. Anyway, today I did my brows with this Zoeva brow pencil. I mentioned this in my previous video. So this is called Graphic Brows in the shade Arsenic, and guys, I am impressed. This is so good. I did my brows a little bit more light, more ready for summer, and the formula is amazing. And this was like £7 or something like that, almost €9, I don't know. So today I want to keep it very simple. I'm going to focus mostly on my skin. I'm not going to use a foundation. I'm going to use my Missha BB cream, and this has a SPF. This has 42 SPF. I don't know why they didn't do like 50, like, you know, 50 SPF, but 42, I'm not mad, it still works for me. And no lashes, no false lashes for today. So yeah, let's start because I feel like I'm rambling too much. First I'm going to moisturize my face with this Cloud 9 All Alive Moisture Cream. I did use this 2 videos back, I guess. No, in my previous video, actually. I used this in my previous video, and oh my god, a little bit goes a very long way. So I'm going to use the spoon, and I think I'm going to use that much. Alright, so that's already absorbed into my skin. Next I'm going to cat hair. Oh my god. Next I'm going to prime my face with this Catrice Prime and Fine primer. And this is their Nude Glow Primer. And I do really like this because this will be my second time using this. But this gives me that healthy glow, if that makes sense. I'm going to shake it a little bit. Probably that's too much. Yeah, I'm going to apply this all over my face. Ooh, that's glowy. So next I'm going to use my Missha Perfect Cover BB Cream. This is not perfect cover whatsoever. So I'm going to use... Ooh, that's too much. That much, but I'm going to apply a little bit on my neck as well. So don't forget about your neck, because you want to match your face with your neck, with your whole body, okay? I just washed my sponge and this smells so good and so fresh, so clean. But I feel like I'm a little bit too rushed with my sponge because I always break them. And this at first looks a little bit grayish to me, but it adjusts to the color of my skin, so don't be scared. Next I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to conceal a little bit my under eyes and also my friends. I think think I'm going to use just a tiny bit of this Makeup Revolution concealer, just a tiny bit. To set that, I'm going to use my Hourglass Veil setting powder. So I'm going to use a flat brush. I'm going to pick wherever I have on the lid. I'm going to smooth those lines. To bronze my face, I'm going to use again this Jouer dual bronzer, and I still don't know how I feel about this. I feel like I have to play a little bit more. I don't know, so far I'm not very impressed, and also this was expensive. So I'm going to mix the both shades. And as you can see, my face is still glowy because that setting powder is not matte. It does set your face, your foundation and the concealer, but it's not matte, which I really like because I have dry skin. And I do really like this dewy, glowy effect. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this. I feel like that's enough because I'm spending way too much time building this bronzer and doesn't show that much on my face anyway. For my blush, I'm going to apply Strictly Chic from NYX, and this is such a beautiful blush. I'm not really into blushes, but I feel like in the summertime you need to give your cheeks a little bit of color, pop of color, and a peachy blush or a very light pink blush will look very nice, especially if you have a little bit of tan going on. I'm not tan yet, I'm working on it. So I'm going to apply just a tiny bit, and I already feel like I applied too much there. Next I'm going to apply just a little bit of Daydream on my cheeks because I want to give them just a hint of glow. And I'm going to use a stippling brush, and let's hope I don't apply too much. Just a tiny bit. That's nice. And for my highlight, I'm going to mix Forever Young and Forever Lit. Maybe? Yeah, let's try that. And I'm going to apply it with a sponge. Tap the excess on the back of my hand, and I feel like this is too white. I feel like that's a little bit too white, but it's okay. Next I'm going to brighten a little bit my under eyes, and I'm going to use Vanilla Cream from the Dominique Cosmetics palette, and I do really like to brighten my under eyes with this shade. Alright, let's do my eye makeup. I still have to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow, but I'm going to go back a little bit later. So next I'm going to use this Revlon cream eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this with my finger, and you don't have to be very precise. Alright, so next I'm going to use September, and is this gorgeous pink shade, but I feel like it's a little bit, I don't know, I feel like this has a brown undertone. And as you can see, I didn't use any transition shades. As I said, I want to keep it simple. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. Don't forget to blend those edges, and I feel like this is so effortless. Alright, so as you can see, I finished my left eye because, as you probably know, my camera hits way too fast, so that gives me time to do my other eye. And next I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to blend the edges. See how easy that blends? That's cute. Next I'm going to take TF, you know what that means, right? And this is True Gold eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply this mostly in my inner corners. and a little bit on my lid as well. Blend. And next I'm going to take a little bit of unbothered, and also I'm going to apply this in my inner corners. For my bottom lash line, I'm going with September. Blend a little bit. And then I'm going to go again with TF, just a tiny bit. And to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners, I'm taking unbothered. So to set my brows, I'm going to use this lovely brows gel creator. Next I'm going to apply mascara. This is Vivienne Sabó. And first I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm using the Primark eyelash curler. And guys, this is so good. If you have a Primark near to you, go and grab this, because this is so good. And it was like €4 or something like that. It's from their Nudes collection, and this is so good. This mascara is so good. Makes my eyelashes very long, but I'm going to let the first coat dry, and then I'm going to go with another coat. Alright, my camera has to take a little break, so I'm going to apply mascara and I'm going to be right back. Alright, so these are my lashes after 2 coats of Vivienne mascara, and I'm impressed. My lashes are huge. On my lips, I really want to use this fuchsia Lippie Stix. This is from ColourPop in the shade Glam bag, but I feel like it will be a little bit too much because I already have pink on my eyes. I really want to use this. I think I'm going to apply just a little bit of this, and then on top I'm going to go with this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brule. So let's see how that goes. I know I said just a little bit. This is such a gorgeous fuchsia color, but I feel like it's too much. Alright, so I just over aligned my cupid's bow to make my lips appear a little bit more full, but I feel like this color is too much, so I think I'm going to wipe off just a tiny bit. I think that will do the trick, so let's apply this lip gloss on top. So yeah, what do you think? Is too much pink? I think I'm going to switch this with the Nude lipstick or just this lip gloss. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Alright, so I changed my mind. I'm going to use this Essence lip liner in the shade Nude Coral, and then I'm going to apply Creme Brulee on top because that fuchsia is too much for this eye makeup, so yeah. I forgot how creamy Essence lip liners are. So good. I like it. Alright, next I'm going to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow. And I'm going to use again my glow kit. And to set my face, I'm going to use my amazing fixing spray from Makeup Revolution. And there you have it, you guys. Ready for summer, glowy, radiant, easy to achieve, girly. I don't know what else to say, but I do really like it. I feel like it's so fresh and glowy. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what do you think, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Oh my god, my nose is so itchy. I'm sorry, Sponge, I don't want to be tan bruta contigo, pero ¿qué voy a hacer? Es lo que hay, ¿no? All day, every day, summer. You can use this as a what? Glowy, ready for summer. You know what? It was perfect. Bye.